In the 1980s, the industrial wave was like a giant steel ship shuttling in the rivers and lakes of time, and the industrial development layout around the world was accelerated. As one of the world's leading manufacturing countries, Japan, its long industrial history creates a rich variety of high-quality products. The formation of various industrial clusters of automobiles, machinery, electronics, and precision instruments has bred a number of craftsman enterprises. Union Electric was founded in 1971. After more than 50 years of development, has accumulated rich experience in precision resistance welding, laser welding research and development, design, manufacturing and delivery, etc. From aerospace to automobile manufacturing, from biological research to artificial intelligence, from power lithium to green energy, precision welding technology has penetrated into various cutting-edge industries, providing strong support for the development of modern industry.